All right, boys, just gonna give you a quick update. Major changes for now. If you guys know me, then you know that for sure that I'm always gonna change my mind. Last week I was gonna send it out to TCS just to do a turbo kit. yo, you know we crazy, man. I was like, yo, you know what? Let me finish the wrap first and then send it out. But hold on, guys. La vieja escuela, papá, que lo que es. All right, boys, it is October 22nd. Anyways, guys, like I was saying, we've changed our mind again. And the main reason is because, you know, I've been trying to get my motivation back when it comes to this car. I lost it, guys. I lost the vision. I lost the momentum. I lost that motivation. So, you know, it is what it is. So, you know, I'm always trying to do something else to the car just so that I could get, you know, just so I could get in love with it again. And it's not the car. It's just me, you know. And it is what it is. But anyways, guys, it is October 22nd, 2 o'clock a.m. And the plan is to finish this car in less than 2 weeks. So we have 2 weeks to finish this. So that includes the whole brake job, removing that wheel, those drag wheels, putting back the original Zegans, and getting all 4 new tires. That includes the new seal for the window that I removed. And of course, just the vinyl wrap. And down the road, change the seats. But the plan is 2 weeks, daily drive this car. And that is the goal, guys. That is the goal. This is going to be on standstill. That's going to be on standstill. The red MR2 is going to be on standstill for sure. And hopefully next year I'll pick up where I started and go from there. Yeah, guys, that's what I got. That's what I got. Oh, man. You know, at first I thought that it was because of, you know, I just lost that motivation because of the garage. And it was super messy, super dirty. And I cleaned it. I added these lights. I added this husky thing. I added that. I added a few things just to try and fall in love again with the garage. I even painted the legs for the lift. As you guys can see, it looks much nicer. I'll probably put a picture here of how it looked before. But yeah, guys. Losing motivation, man, is something that's never happened to me. When I set a goal, I try to make that goal, finish that goal. But, man, it's something tough. And that being said, last time I dropped was a month ago. But last time I picked up a camera was about 7 weeks ago. So almost going on 2 months. And I had a whole bunch of videos just on the, you know, back burner to continue dropping on a weekly basis. And pretty much dropped them all. And I haven't uploaded for almost a month. But yeah, guys, that is the plan on the white MR2. Content is definitely going to slow down. And, you know, time is going to be, you know, it's going to be super tight for me. So working on MR2s. Going forward, I'll say mid-November is going to be a no-no for me. So I'll probably try to drop 1 video every 2 weeks. But yeah, I gotta get new hood hinges. So I gotta order that today. Tomorrow we'll go ahead and break down the pieces and make sure we have enough paper. If not, order some more paper because this car has to be done by the 5th or 6th. 7th, I go to Miami. 8th, 9th, come back. So by the 5th, 6th, it has to be completely done. Now, most of it, I'm going to do it on the sideline. I'm not going to record. And, you know, it is what it is. Editing, cutting, vlogging is just very time consuming for me right now, and it's something that I just can't keep up. So we're gonna do everything on the sidelines. I'll probably do like a before and after, or you know, tips and tricks on how to vinyl wrap. But it's not gonna be a very thorough video, if you get my drift. But yeah, guys, that's what I got. So stay tuned. Hopefully this car is done in less than 2 weeks. Everything changed, everything's good, and then drive it for a few months, and then send it out to TCS to get that 2GR turbo kit swap. And then once I get tired with the wrap, and I'll say maybe a year or 2 years, remove the wrap and send it out to paint. But that's not anytime soon, guys. That's not anytime soon. I hopefully, if I have this car by next year, I'm gonna take it to Bear Mountain, and it should have that turbo kit and all that stuff. But yeah, guys, that's what I got. That's what I got, guys. Yeah, man, this is my garage, and I can't wait until I get my new shed in the back installed, and all this stuff is out, and my new seats, and yeah, guys. But catch you in the next one. You already know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Que lo que, 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 que lo que. Dale.